150,000 people visit here every year, but is it worth it?
Join us as we explore the Thong National Marine Park. So we're heading to the Thong Marine Park. This was an organised excursion. They provided us with a wee brekkie, which is pretty nice, picked us up at the hotel, and we're on this big boat with, you know, many nationalities, so it should be interesting. Steep, really steep. Great fun though. We are on the Thong National Marine Park in Thailand. It is stunning.
Stunning.
Yeah, there's really no other way to describe it. You'll see it's slightly overcast here today, but despite that you can see like the turquoise waters and the bays below us. It is absolutely stunning. It took you know, a wee bit of sweat to get up here. Certainly plenty of stairs, steep ladders more like. Steep ladders to get us up here, but worth it, I would say.
I would say well worth it. Do you know, I've been practicing before I came with the stairs in the house, so do you know, it put me in good stead. What do you think?
Yeah, I'm just wiping my sweat on your shirt.
Oh, very nice of you.
Yeah, I'm good like that. But seriously, this is stunning. And it shows cameras and photos just don't do it justice. We've looked at plenty of photos before we came here, but it just exceeds all my expectations. It's stunning.
Yeah, I think it's the nicest place I've ever been in the world. And that is phenomenal.
It really is. Look, see the blue one?
So they are.
And there's like stripy ones over there, see them?
Not surprising really, is it?
Yeah, I mean we're in a tropical area, but it's still. And we're back down at the beach now, and I think if you were to imagine a tropical paradise of a beach, this is what you would have in your head. It is outstandingly beautiful. And a lovely lunch here, all included in the cost of the excursion, which is pretty good. So rice, some stir-fried veg and a wee spring roll. It's all pretty sure, all pretty good. Yeah.
We're heading to the second island now. We've been told this is spectacular.
Look at this.
Absolutely delightful, isn't it?
After you walk up the mountain, you'll know how it feels. Oh, can I remove? I thought, yeah, no.
So where are we now?
We're
That's
just
100.
at our first resting place. Thankfully it's not our final resting place though. Oh, stunning.
And I didn't have to go back to the hostel. It was really nice, so I had 2 hours of driving back to the hostel and driving them back to the harbour. It was so cool also.
I think slightly sweating with the heat. I think it's more the heat than anything. It's a tough trail, just the size of the steps, but and all different.
Yeah.
But, you know, it's good for you. And when we reach the top, it's worth it. So Nicola, how are we doing?
Still alive.
Well, that's us at the third rest place, which is 300 metres high. 2 rest places to go, or I think 1 to go down the top.
Yep.
I'm hoping it's 500 metres and not 590, so I'm hoping I heard correctly. But anyway, wow, we'll keep going with experience, and I'll show you the views when we get to the top. So top viewpoint is 200 metres away, so that's good. 1 to go down the top. So it makes it a bit more difficult because your feet, it's so uneven. Stones are different sizes, tracks different widths, but it's all really good fun. And actually worth it. I think in essence, the heat just makes it worse. Good news, Nicola.
Yeah.
We're,
What?
we're just about here. That was hard going.
Oh my god. Oh, it's stunning.
I think it was worth every moment. Oh, wow.
Oh, that is beautiful. This isn't quite the top.
Nicola, this isn't quite the top.
No, no.
This is another viewpoint, but I think we're very close to the top. We need to do it.
Well, to come all this way and not do the final 50 metres would be annoying to both of us.
So we made it, Nicola.
We did, and we're both alive, so high five to us. That was cracking, and this is just incredible. I mean, we've climbed Ben Nevis, the highest mountain in Scotland, several times. It's about 1200 metres. This is half the height, but honestly, quadruple the view. It really is beyond compare.
Amazing. Wow.
Hope you enjoyed this glimpse of paradise. Next week we're at Fisherman's Village.